Here is the answer for day 2. Question A, how many milligrams are in 1 gram? By definition in the metric system, there are 1,000 milli-units in 1 basic unit. So there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. The number 1,000 can also be written as 10 to the 3rd power. Question B, how many microliters are in 1 liter? In the metric system, by definition, there are 1 million microunits in 1 basic unit. So there are 1 million microliters in 1 liter. Notice the Greek letter that's used to represent the prefix micro. Another way to write this is 10 to the 6th power. 10 to the 6th power means a million. Question C, how many liters are in 1 microliter? Notice this is the reciprocal situation of what was in question B. This time we're asking how many of that larger sized unit, the liter, would be in that very small unit, the microliter. So this time it's 1 millionth. A way to write 1 millionth with scientific notation is 10 to the negative 6th power. Question D, convert 25 degrees Celsius into a Kelvin temperature. This time it's not about doing a metric conversion, but about using a formula. And the formula is K equals C plus 273, where K represents a temperature in Kelvin and C is a temperature in Celsius. So we're asked to figure out the Kelvin temperature when we replace C with 25. So you make that substitution and add together, and the result is 298 Kelvin. Question E, calculate the density of a substance with this mass and this volume. So this is another problem that takes a formula. Density equals mass divided by volume, or D equals M divided by V. Replace mass with the 18 grams. Replace volume with the 6.5 milliliters. And then do this division. The result on the calculator is 2.769 and even some more digits. But now we need to think about rounding. So look at the numbers in the division. This number has 2 significant figures, and so does the one in the bottom. So our answer can have 2 significant figures. So I rounded to 2.8 grams per milliliter. Notice that there's a label here. You always have to have a label. And notice as well where that label came from. When I substituted into the formula, I didn't only put the 18 and the 6.5. I made sure that I said 18 grams and 6.5 milliliters. And by putting those units in there, now it helps me to visually see that it's grams per milliliter.